Okay, let's move to the question number 4. The diagram shows the design for a company's new logo. The sector of the circle with centers O has the radius R. The acute angle AOC is equal to pi by 3. The quadrilateral OABC is a rhombus. Find the expression for the parameter of the design. Give your answer in terms of pi and R. Okay, we have the company logo and OABC is the rhombus. And we know that rhombus has the all side equals to OA equals to OC, which is equals to EC, which is equals to AB. And this one is equals to radius, so all these sides is equals to R centimeter. This is the rhombus, and there is a sector AOC which has the angle this one, which can be find out by subtracting pi by 3 from 2 pi. And we need to find the parameter, and we know that AOC is the sector, and this sector has the arc length of AC, and the formula to find the arc length is equals to the radius times theta, and theta is this angle. So the parameter is arc length AC plus rhombus side BC and AB plus BC. So this is the parameter of the logo, and we know that arc length can be found out by using the formula r theta plus AB is the radius, which is r centimeter, plus BC is the radius, which is r centimeter. And here theta is equals to the 2 pi minus pi by 3, because if we subtract the pi by 3 from the 2 pi, so we can find the theta. So we can say the 2 pi minus pi by 3, and this one is equals to the 6 pi minus pi over 3, and this one is equals to the 5 pi over 3. So r times 5 pi over 3 plus 2r, and this one is equals to the 5 pi r over 3 plus 2r. This is the parameter of logo. Part B, it is now given that the perimeter of the design is 200 centimeter. Find the area of the design. Give your answer to 3 significant figures. Now we have the sector and we have the rhombus. To find the area of the sector, we use the formula which is 1 over 2 r squared theta, and theta is the angle comprising by the sector. And if we have the rhombus, to find the area of the rhombus, we have 3 methods. This one, by using diagonal, we can use 1 over 2 times d1 times d2. If we have the base and height, we can use this formula. If we have the trigonometry, means we have the length of the side, and if we have the angle, any angle between any side, then we can use this formula which is b squared times sine e. So we already have this angle, if we call it alpha, and we have the side, so we can use formulas r square sine of alpha. So we can use these formula to find the area of this new logo, but we need the information of radius r. First we find the radius r by using the given information that perimeter of the design is 200 centimeters. So we calculated the perimeter, which is 5 pi r over 3 plus 2r is equals to the 200, and this one is equals to the r times 5 pi over 3 plus 2 is equals to 200, and this one is equals to the r times 5 pi plus 6 over 3 equals to 200. So we can say that r is equals to 600 over 5 pi plus 6. Solving further, we will have 600 over 15 pi is 15.7079 plus 6, and this one is equals to the 600 over 21.707 20.79. When we divide 600 by 21.7079, we will have 27.639. So radius is equals to 27.639, which is equivalent to 27.64. This is the radius in centimeter. We have calculated the radius. Now we need to find the area of the design, and total area of the design is equals to the area of the sector AOC. Total area is equals to area of sector AOC plus area of the rhombus, which is OABC. OABC. And we know that area of the sector is equals to 1 over 2 r squared theta plus area of the rhombus is r squared sine of alpha. And in this case, theta is we calculated in part A, which was 5 pi by 3. Theta is 5 pi by 3, and alpha is given, which is pi by 3. And the radius we calculated, which is r is equal to 27.64. Plugging these values, we will have area, total area, which is equal to 1 over 2 27.64 square times 5 pi over 3 plus r square means 27.64 square times sine of pi by 3. 27.64 square is 763.94 over 2 times 5 pi by 3 plus 763.94 times 0.866. So when we multiply this one, it is equals to 1999.99, which is around 2000 plus, and this one is equal to 661.57. When we add, we will have 2661.57205 centimeter square. So area of new logo is 2661.57 centimeter square. And the answer should be in three significant figures. So we can say that area is equals to 2660 centimeters square. So these are three significant figures. Okay.